Hi, I'm Stephanie Mosca with the TMC Newsroom, and welcome to A Week in Social, your outlet for all the latest news in the most popular social media networks of today. Facebook and Twitter have been in competition lately for what seems to be the race for more professional members. Both sites have taken elements from one another to implement on their own platforms in an attempt to cover all bases for their members. Twitter has most commonly been known as a platform for industry experts to display their work and connect with others in the industry. But now Facebook has recently launched a page just for journalists. Could it be that the social media giant has a little bit of Twitter envy? The new Journalists on Facebook page will serve as an ongoing resource for the growing number of reporters using Facebook to find sources, interact with readers, and advance stories. The page will provide journalists with best practices for integrating the latest Facebook products with their work and connecting with the Facebook audience of more than 500 million people. The question now is, will esteemed journalists utilize this new tool Facebook has created, or will it remain a forum for aspiring journalists looking to carve their niche in the industry? In an effort to be more like its big brother, Twitter has begun implementing Facebook-like brand pages. The brand pages will allow advertisers and business accounts to create dedicated spaces for pushing their products and services. The proposed offering would be set up in a similar fashion to Facebook pages. The brand pages will also give companies the ability to promote themselves and communicate with customers through more than just sponsored hashtags and 140-character tweets. Advertisers that could purchase the pages from Twitter could deliver more content to their followers and create more brand awareness. Social media is becoming more accepted as a form of communication in the business world, but is it acceptable when applying to a new job? A new summer internship program in Silicon Valley asks candidates to replace their cover letters with YouTube videos, Twitter campaigns, or personal blog posts. Sounds much more fun than writing a boring cover letter, right? The new initiative, known as 500 Interns, is being put together by a company called InternMatch.com, which, as their name would suggest, matches startup companies with top-level students. To participate, interested students need to head to the company's website, pick a startup that they are interested in from the list of top 30, upload their application, and include a social media link instead of a cover letter. Sounds too good to be true, right? But let's face it, with the future of media moving online, it only makes sense to display your social media creativity when applying for a job. When do you most frequently update your status, tweet, or check in? A recent study by Buddy Media noted that members engage in Facebook activity 20% more on Thursdays and Fridays, Thursday being the most popular days to update. Apparently, Facebookers aren't the only ones excited for the weekend. The report also noted that members of Twitter most frequently tweet on Fridays. So what's with the late week tweets? According to Jeremiah Owing of Altimeter Group, people are heading into the weekend, so they're thinking about things besides work. Makes sense to me. I guess that means it's time to go update my status. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I'm Stephanie Mosca. Thanks for joining me today for A Week in Social. Make sure to check back next week for another installment of all the latest social media news.